Here are the things that I got from KKV. Sabi ko, sasama ko lang yung sister ko, pero guess what? Siya yung walang nabili, ako pa yung namili. So, meron na ito sa TikTok shop, but I wanted to try this one as well. Kasi, hindi na daw niya kailangan ng glue. So, I'll let you guys know kung kamusta to. But, this is only $1.99. So, very mura. And it already has 4 sets. Next one is ito. Dapat magbabayad na talaga ako, pero nakita ko siya sa my counter. This is like F5 coffee, and ang alam ko, nakita ko na to somewhere, and the reason why F5 yung name niya is because, diba sa keyboard, it means refresh. So, yun yung gusto ko iparating ng coffee na to. So, I'll also let you guys know kung kamusta to when I try it. And as a tita, ito yung pinakauna kong kinuha. This is an essential oil. So, ilalagay mo to sa humidifier mo para bumango, and I got it in the scent of peppermint. And then lastly is an inhaler. You know, you can never have too much inhaler. Tingnan natin kung anong-ano. Pero green tea daw siya eh. So let's try it. Amoy hotel! I only got these for a total of 628 pesos. Ito na siyang apat. So it's super mura and I recommend you guys to drop by as well. Ang daming mga goodies doon na pwede nyong bilhin. So yeah.